Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Microsoft OneDrive that reads, "Sorry, there was a problem displaying this folder. Please try again." Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps, and dito sa apps, and then yung pinakauna lang ito yung installed apps, so click mo lang yan. So dito sa installed apps at dito lang sa search app ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung OneDrive. And then makikita mo kaagad dito, at dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung tatlong dot. And next, i-click mo lang dito yung advanced option. And dito sa advanced options, ang next step ay scroll down. At dito lang sa reset ay kailangan lang natin itong i-repair and reset. So if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. And then i-click mo lang dito yung repair. And wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. Okay, so if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan mo na itong i-reset kung talagang nag-i-error siya. And then i-click mo lang dito yung reset. And then makikita mo dito yung notifications na this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So i-click mo lang dito yung reset. And wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na complete na yung reset procedure, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito lang sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung large icon para makita mo lahat yung settings. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung programs and features. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa uninstall or change a program, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito or i-locate mo dito yung OneDrive. Okay? So once nahanap mo na dito yung OneDrive, and then select mo lang ganyan. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and i-click mo lang dito yung uninstall. Alright? So once na uninstall mo na siya, and then close mo lang, at kailangan mo lang itong i-reinstall. And then next step, so dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix OneDrive error. Sorry, there is a problem displaying this folder. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.